Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Story Spectacle. Step into the time machine, because today, we're taking a thrilling journey back to the 1990s, a decade of innovation, excitement, and iconic gadgets that forever changed the way we live, work, and communicate. Imagine the nostalgia of inserting a floppy disk or a compact disc in the 90s, a storage marvel of its time, housed digital treasures on its magnetic surface, connecting us to early computing wonders to store audio and video files. Before the age of smartphones, pagers, those trusty beepers, buzzed their way into our lives. Pagers were widely used in the business and medical fields for basic text communication. Personal digital assistants like the Palm Pilot and Pocket PC, known as PDAs, are the digital wizards that casted spells of organization, calendars, and note-taking, transforming chaos into order. Nintendo's Game Boy and its subsequent versions revolutionized portable gaming, giving birth to classics like Tetris and Pokémon. Cartridge-based gaming consoles brought the classics home. Those were golden days when Super Nintendo's Super Mario jumped through our screens, delivering joy and adventure like never before. These ROM cartridges allowed users to rapidly load and access video games. And who could forget the iconic mobile phone Nokia 3310, the indestructible legend? Its long battery life and the addictive Snake game kept us connected and entertained. Say cheese! The 90s witnessed the rise of digital cameras, with the ASMR of that soothing shutter clicking sound, offering a new way to capture and store photos electronically. Polaroid instant cameras added a dash of magic to the decade with its instant photography. Desktop PCs, known as microcomputers, were our gateways to the digital realm. They were the heart of our tech-savvy homes, used for word processing, gaming, and accessing information in the mid-90s. The portable Sony's Walkman player brought audio tapes on the go, allowing users to listen to their favorite music anywhere. Tape recorders immortalized the sound waves as magnetic signals for recording and playing back audio. Disc players like the Sony Discman and Philips CD player offered a sleeky, compact way to record and play digital audio, all in the palm of your hand, although it faced competition from legacy cassette tapes. The beloved CRT TV, a centerpiece of our living rooms, hold a nostalgic place in the hearts of many who grew up watching their favorite shows and playing video games on these classic television sets during the 1990s. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the remarkable 90s electronic gadgets that left a lasting imprint on our lives, paving the way for innovation to meet nostalgia. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic ride. Let us know your favorite 90s gadget memories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos.